Morning everyone. My name is Bhavishya Tomar of class 9C, Arden Public School, Meerut.
My name is Abhinav Negi.
My name is Siddhan Chaudhary.
Today, we are introducing our project Disaster Response in front of you. Artificial intelligence (AI) is transforming the way we respond to disasters, enabling faster and more effective relief efforts. By leveraging AI capabilities, we can better predict, prepare for, and respond to natural disasters, saving lives and minimizing damage.
Problem that caused by earthquake. Ground shaking. The primary hazard from earthquake is ground shaking, which can cause building to collapse, road to crack, and landslide to occur. Tsunamis. Underwater earthquake can cause massive amount of water, creating tsunamis that can cause web spam devastation along coastline. Fire. Earthquake can damage gas line and electricity system, leading to fire that can repeatedly and cause extensive damage.
The solution for disaster response with AI, predictive modeling. AI can analyze historical data and current conditions to predict the likelihood and impact of future disaster. Early warning system. AI powered system can detect seismic activity and issue timely warnings to residents and emergency responder. Resource allocation. AI can optimize the allocation of resources such as medical supplies and resource teams to ensure efficient and effective disaster response. Damage assessment. AI can rapidly assess damage using early imaginary and sensor data, providing crucial information for relief effort. Progress so far. Our prototype is 50% completed. Our model is completed.
The project will be fitted on the wall. The resource need a smoke sensor, temperature sensor, buzzer, video sensor, Arduino, breadboard, connecting wire, camera, AI algorithm CNN, image sample to detect the disaster.
Implementation plan. Potential challenges in disaster response with AI. Data bias. AI algorithm can perpetuate existing biases in data, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes in disaster response. Privacy concerns. Using AI in disaster response raises privacy concerns as it involves collecting and analyzing sensitive personal information.
Third, ethical considerations. The ethical implications of using AI in life or death situations must be carefully considered, such as who is responsible for AI decisions. Lack of transparency. AI system can be complex and opaque, making it difficult to understand their responding and decisions, which can hinder trust and accountability.